Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make glutathione powder. Glutathione is a vital antioxidant, naturally produced by your body, playing a key role in detoxification and immune support. Creating your own powder allows you to control the quality and purity of the ingredients. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to prepare your own supply, ensuring you understand each part of the process for optimal results and peace of mind. To begin, you'll need 3 essential amino acids: L-cysteine, glutamic acid, and glycine. These are the fundamental building blocks for creating glutathione. Accuracy is paramount, so a precise digital scale, capable of measuring in milligrams, is absolutely crucial. Additionally, prepare a clean mortar and pestle or a small, dedicated grinder to ensure your ingredients are finely processed. Having these tools ready makes the preparation smooth and effective. Now for the preparation. Measure out equal parts of L-cysteine, glutamic acid, and glycine. For instance, using 100 milligrams of each amino acid is a good starting point. Carefully combine these 3 measured ingredients into your mortar and pestle or grinder. Then, grind the mixture thoroughly and consistently until it transforms into a very fine, uniform powder. This ensures proper blending and absorption of the final product. Proper storage is key to maintaining potency. Store your freshly made glutathione powder in an airtight, dark container, keeping it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. This helps preserve its effectiveness over time. A typical serving size ranges from 250 to 500 milligrams daily. Remember, it's always wise to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, ensuring it aligns with your individual health needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.